This is a quick review video of the new 1&1 Homeserver Speed Plus router. It can connect all your devices and give them a strong Wi-Fi signal. Doesn't matter where they are. The signal shall be strong enough even through walls, and in different rooms on different floors. Here are the papers coming with this router. This is the Fast Start manual. Let's just browse this quickly. We want to have a look at the Homeserver. Let us have a closer look at the printings and promises of the box. This strong all-in-one solution will give you maximum Wi-Fi speed at home. You can use it as a media server, and connect your DECT phone for voice over IP phone calls. Here are the system requirements and contents. And here are the devices you can connect with the Homeserver, with some more specifications. Now let's have a look what's inside the box. There is the Homeserver and several different wires. Here an overview of all the content. We will plug all wires into the router now. But first have a closer look and see all connection sockets. This is the network wire that needs to get plugged into the DSL slot to get internet connection from the provider. Now, connect the power adapter to the router. That's it already. We can connect it to a power point now. You can use the other yellow sockets for network wires if you want to connect your computer directly. If you don't want to use Wi-Fi. And if you are having a phone, you can connect that too, to a black socket with the label, phone, on it. The power DSL light will shine solid when it could connect to your internet provider. The Wi-Fi light will turn on too then. Your phone light will only light up when you are connecting a phone. Thanks everyone for watching. Feel free to subscribe to see daily more unboxing and review videos. Have a great day. Thanks guys.